up? This is Trisha and welcome to today's vlog. Today we are going to be traveling to Goa for a super exciting 3 days 4 nights trip. I'm traveling today with a good friend of mine, Shakuntala. Say hi. We managed to get to the airport super early because we've been having floods in Chennai over the past few days. So we left early and we came to the lounge. We had our lunch here. The view from the lounge, as you can see, is super nice. This is one from Chennai airport. And we have our flight at 3 p.m. Excited to board it and we will take you through our trip. See you there.
Love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la.
Good morning. This is technically day one of our day one of our trip, considering the fact that we got back yesterday and passed out. We were super tired. We're staying at Phoenix Park in by Radisson. It's a resort which is in Candolim. Beautiful property. Can't wait to show you guys the property. The entire trip has been planned, curated by GT Holidays. They've done a phenomenal job. Like, up until now, we really are enjoying the experience. Super excited for the next few days as well. Adding some footage of the place we're staying in, and then let's get started with the day. Let's go. So headed for our first day outside, we're going towards Anjuna, which is where a lot of cafes and a lot of happening, a lot of new places and properties in Goa have popped up. From what research I have done about the place, and a bunch of my friends who've been there have told me. Wearing a sari today because I just enjoy wearing a sari. So we'll be going to a bunch of cafes. We'll take you around. Let's go.
You just come running by.
We're now here at Eva Cafe, which is the first cafe of the day. It's located in Anjuna and I was super excited for it because of the entire white aesthetic and a direct beach view. Really excited for you guys to see it. Let me take you out. Chilling at Eva Cafe, which is in Anjuna. We're having a drink. The view is to die for, so we ended up staying here for a really long period of time and like gone off itinerary and plan. Let me show you all the view. So we had the green shakshaka and now we're having, what are you having? A cold coffee and a mocha frappuccino. 100% recommend this place. Do check it out.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is my YouTube channel's name?
Shakma Rocks.
Yes.
After the wonderful time we had at Eva Cafe, we're here in the second place of the day. We've come to Arjuna, which is, as the name suggests, a cafe and an art gallery. It's set up in like a nice jungle-ish, dense part, so it's not too much sun. So you can come and have a chill time, have a few drinks and probably have a meal here. We're here for lunch today. We'll stick around for a bit, chill, and then move on to the next place. We've just been eating since we've come to Goa. So hoping we have enough room to cover more places to show you guys. Let's go.
Shine on me, shine on me.
Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me.
Hi, what's up? We're in the third cafe of the day. As we mentioned earlier, we've just been eating all day long, but we're not complaining at all because the food's been so good here in Goa. The drinks are really nice, the food's good. We did expect it to be good, but this is like beyond our expectation. We're here at Prana Cafe. If you're coming here, make sure to book a table with this very view I'm sitting at. It's a huge chunk of land with a lot of trees, plantations, and just having a great evening. Huge shout out to GT Holidays for curating this trip for us. Thoroughly enjoying it as of now. Can't wait for the next few days. But before we end this segment of it, let me show you all the view I'm sitting at.
Lying next to you, feeling something brand new. And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
Hi, good morning. We're on our day 3 of, technically day 2 of the trip, but day 3 of our trip. We had breakfast at the hotel and we're headed now to Cancelim. It is an hour away from Candelim. We wanted to go for this Feni tasting experience that we've booked. So looking forward to it. Like I think we booked it like a month back itself. So yeah, we're gonna take you for that experience and let's go.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme.
What's up? We've reached the Feni tasting experience. It's in a beautiful place in Cancelim. We're gonna have Hansel, who's gonna take us around the property, tell us about the process of how they make Feni, and also we're gonna have like a nice tasting session as well. This is the most exciting part of the trip for me personally. I booked it like a month back, and yeah, let's meet Hansel and let's go. So here we have with us Hansel, who's going to take us through the experience. Hansel.
Hi. Welcome to Goa. Welcome to one of the world's most exciting exotic spirits. Let me take you on a journey through Goa and through our culture and where we come from.
Perfect, let's go.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We've got bimlis. Bimlis is a nice sour local indigenous food. Yeah. We've got three kinds of spices. We've got chilies, we've got pepper, we've got capsicum. I want everyone to take a small bite of the chili, small bite, and to have it with the feni. How is it? How is it?
Not much spicy.
Yeah, but how is it with the feni? Taste with the feni. I want to see we're checking. Okay. No, just put it in your mouth. Just put it in this thing.
I really like it.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. So chili is nice. Chili is very good. It brings out the flavor of chili. Now come.
You're annoying me with the way way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We're just done with the Fenny tasting experience and it was so good. What did you think?
It was amazing. It was really good. The food was great. It was
Just done so well.
Yeah,
so
very well, very
so informative. Hansel did such a brilliant job, and at no point did we like zone out or lose interest. It was informational, fun, exciting, and 100% would recommend this if you all are coming to Goa and you all have an appetite to learn something new and are interested in it. Do go for this. We'll leave the details in the description. So now we've stopped to have lunch at this cafe. I think we're having a really late lunch. The experience took quite some time. We're here at this beautiful cafe. Let me show you around. It seems like a nice hidden gem.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Butchered my eggs Benedict, but so good. How do you like the sandwich?
it's amazing. It's really
What do you
yummy.
have? The
Cheddar mushroom sandwich.
mushroom cheddar toasty.
Yeah, correct.
It was so good. She says it's the best
Yeah, it's the best I've had.
best
The
sandwich.
yeah,
Oh my god.
sure.
The eggs Benedict also really nice, and we have some company with us. Hi Toko. Yeah, what a great meal. Highly recommend this place. Wow, why we why? But yeah, highly recommend the place.
Work it up again. Stronger than I ever been. I'll work it up again. Stronger than I ever.
Hi, what's up? We're out for dinner on our day 3. What are we on? Day 3 of our trip. The Fenny tasting experience was so good, and after the drive back, which was an hour, we were really tired. We were this close to like passing out, and then we were like excited to try this place called Soy. It has local Goan food, and weirdly enough, we haven't had local Goan food since we came here. We've been doing like a lot of like cafe-ish food, right? So super excited to try local Goan food. It had like a 4.2 rating on Zomato, so hence the pick. We'll try the food and take you all along. Let's go.
I'll work it up again.
The veg soup, what did it have? Potatoes, spinach and olive oil. We've got some mushroom rava fry. How's the soup?
Very nice, very nice.
Hot. Yeah, so Shakuntala is veg and I am non-veg, so few things are veg and I've ordered some non-veg as well. Sort of forgot to show you all the mains. This we have some soy special prawns. It's like this coconut curry prawn, very nice. We started eating it. We have some brown rice there, and we have, what is it called? Moong
Ross.
Ross. It's like moong dal, but it's coconutty, so she wasn't too happy with it. But overall, food's really nice. I think the Goan non-veg food is good. I think one thing we've noticed in our trip entirely is veg options are less, but veg options in Goan, like, it's not too great is what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's because she doesn't like coconut. Yeah, correct. So if you like coconut, Goan options are plenty and they're really nice. She doesn't like coconut in her food, so the Goan options are limited. But most places have continental, Italian, they have everything out here. So I don't think there's like scarcity for options even for vegetarians. So yeah, that's sort of about it. We'll meet you when the dessert comes. I really like the bibinka. I don't like this extra additional tutti frutti and chocolate sauce thing. But you get this in like packaged versions and it's like really good. Why you offered to do it? Come closer to the camera and do it.
It's not jiggling now.
It's hanging. Okay, taste test.
Okay.
Okay. She doesn't like her caramel custard eggy and we were hoping it won't be.
That's nice, not bad at all.
What's up? We're on the last day of our vacation here at Goa. Like extremely sad that it's coming to an end, but had so much fun. And I think you should have guessed by now. We're at another cafe on the last day as well. I love to try new food in places, and also the ambience of a place just excites me on how aesthetically done up it is. Where at the first place for today, they serve authentic Portuguese tarts and a lot of other bakery goods. So excited for you guys to see this. Let's go.
This time we could be lasting.
I'm gonna try these Portuguese tarts, which they're known for. They have a custard filling and a really nice caramelized puff pastry of sorts, which is so good. So I gotta try this.
Counting every star.
Out for lunch at this wonderful place called Bombil. I don't know why I'm calling it wonderful before trying it, but so many people have recommended this. It's a local place in Panaji, which is Panjim. We asked around and found this place. It's super small. There are only 4 tables that are there, but so make sure to like be there on time and come on a weekday so you get a seat. It's this cute little place. Obviously, B-rolls to follow. Going to have the authentic Goan thali. That's what we're here for. We'll try it and take you through it. Let's go.
Be lasting.
So we're having the veg thali and the fish bombil thali. So bombil is another name for Bombay duck. It's not duck. It's a variety of fish that you get in Mumbai. You get it in Goa. I think it's a river water duck, if I'm not wrong. I've had it years back and it was lovely. It's super soft and nice. So I tasted it because I was excited, and it's really nice. Then we have some Goan prawn curry. We have some fish. We have some dessert. What was this? Did you try it?
Kesari bath type.
It's like kesari type dessert, and we have some kokum water, which we also have a glass of kokum soda, and a bunch of pickles and salad to accompany it. How is the veg? How are you liking the veg?
Very nice. There's good dal, there is potato rava fry, brinjal pickle, garlic pickle, same kesari bath. I think it's brinjal curry, which is really good.
Okay, lovely.
Very nice.
So the main reason you should come to Bombil is because you're getting the absolutely village style Goan food. So the village food of Goa, the taste you're getting at Bombil. So ever you're in Panjim and you're coming to have a good fish thali, so Bombil is the place.
You've heard it from him. Be here at Bombil for lunch. So this cafe wasn't part of our itinerary. I saw it on the way and I had to step in. It's super cute. You guys see it for yourselves.
Bring in the bank on the brink.
what's up. So we're now headed to Joseph Bar. It's a really famous, I think a really old bar in Panjim. They have a bunch of starters, few veg and few non-veg, and the rest is some really good beer, and I think they have their own cocktail mixes. But yes, I think it's a very you'd find it a lot on Pinterest and Instagram. I've seen a lot of it, so excited to try it. We're going to enter. Let's go. Decided to come to the beach here, which is like 10 minutes Shakuntala, 10 minutes away from the airport. We have like a few hours to our flight, and I don't know why we're doing this, but we're being adventurous and spontaneous. So they have a bunch of adventure sports like the banana boat ocean ride, then they have the jet ski, and they have the parachute ride. So I think we're doing so I'm filming this after I finish doing the jet ski, but like I'll add footage of it either before or after. I'm like drenched, don't know how I'm going to the airport, but it was so much fun. Like highly recommend, but this beach is not too crowded, so it's peaceful, it's nice. As you can see, we have like few tourists here and there, but the water sports in Goa, they're known for it. I didn't plan on doing this, but I'm glad I did it. It was really fun.